How to get rid of pimples in your own home. For a lot of the ones who suffer, the possibilities of living blemish-free can certainly result in a medicine cabinet filled with chemical creams and dental medications. While these treatments offer immediate and effective results, additionally they have a tendency to have a lengthy listing of side effects. For those who would like a secure option to get rid of the scars lefeetout from pimples and acne, try a few of these clever natural remedies. Aloe gel. Aloe gel could work magically on pimples. It's a skin-soothing and purifying agent that may be effective to deal with pimples rapidly. Prepare some fresh aloe vera pulp from your aloe vera leaf and put it on directly to the pimples and then leave on. Don't wash until it dries up completely. Baking soda. Baking soda comes complete with anti-yeast and antiseptic qualities. Also, it can control pimples effectively. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with couple of drops water to create a thick paste. Apply this paste directly to the pimples. Wash by standard water after a few minutes. Toothpaste. Toothpaste may also be effective home cure to get rid of pimples. Use a small drop of toothpaste to the pimple before you go to your bed and wash with cold water each morning. Take notice of the results. This is actually the most practical way to get rid of pimples instantly. Don't use gel mouthwash. Use any white mouthwash.